When it comes to improving comfort, reducing energy bills, and enhancing the look of your home, few upgrades make as big an impact as energy-efficient windows. For homeowners in Des Allemands, LA, where the weather can range from humid summers to cool winters, investing in high-performance windows is one of the smartest decisions you can make. This ultimate guide will walk you through everything you need to know about choosing, installing, and maintaining energy-efficient windows for your home. Why energy efficiency matters for Des Allemands homes. Energy-efficient windows do much more than just keep your home comfortable. They help regulate indoor temperatures, reduce heating and cooling costs, and minimize your carbon footprint. In a climate like Des Allemands, where high humidity and heat are common, traditional single-pane windows often allow conditioned air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. This leads to higher utility bills and unnecessary energy waste. Energy-efficient windows, on the other hand, are designed with advanced technology that insulates your home, blocks harmful UV rays, and prevents drafts. By upgrading your windows, you can enjoy year-round comfort while keeping your energy usage under control. Key features of energy-efficient windows. Not all windows are created equal. When selecting energy-efficient windows for your Des Allemands home, keep an eye out for the following features. Low emissivity. Glass coating. Low E coatings are microscopic layers of metallic oxide applied to window glass that reflect heat while letting in natural light. This helps keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Multiple panes of glass. Double pane or triple pane windows contain layers of air or gas, such as argon or krypton, between the panes, providing added insulation and noise reduction. Gas fills the space between panes is often filled with argon or krypton gas, which improves thermal performance by slowing heat transfer. Warm edge spacers. These spacers separate panes and reduce heat loss at the edges of the window, where traditional spacers can cause condensation and drafts. Energy Star certification. Always look for windows that are Energy Star certified, meaning they meet or exceed energy efficiency standards set by the U.S. Department of Energy. Benefits of installing energy-efficient windows. Lower energy bills. Energy-efficient windows help reduce heating and cooling costs by minimizing air leakage and maintaining consistent indoor temperatures. Many homeowners in Des Allemands report noticeable drops in their energy bills within the first few months after installation. Enhanced comfort. No more cold drafts or hot spots near windows. Energy-efficient designs create a balanced, comfortable environment throughout your home. Protection from UV rays. Low E coatings block up to 90% of harmful ultraviolet rays, helping prevent fading of your furniture, flooring, and curtains. Noise reduction. Double or triple pane windows offer superior sound insulation, keeping outside noise to a minimum, a welcome advantage for homes near busy streets or waterways. Increased home value. Installing energy-efficient windows is a smart investment that boosts your property's market value and curb appeal. Prospective buyers appreciate homes that offer long-term savings and sustainability. Choosing the right window style for your home. Des Allemands homeowners can select from a wide range of energy-efficient window styles to match their home's architecture and design preferences. Double-hung windows. Classic and versatile, ideal for traditional homes. Casement windows. Hinged on one side and open outward for maximum ventilation. Picture windows. Perfect for capturing scenic views and natural light while maintaining efficiency. Sliding windows. Great for modern homes with wide openings. Bay and bow windows. Add dimension and charm while improving energy performance. When selecting your window type, consider both aesthetics and functionality. The right combination enhances your home's efficiency and style. Professional installation makes the difference. Even the most advanced window won't perform properly if it's not installed correctly. That's why professional installation is essential. Experienced installers ensure a perfect seal, proper insulation, and long-lasting durability. Local Des Allemands window experts understand the regional climate and building standards, ensuring your windows deliver maximum efficiency and comfort. Maintaining your energy-efficient windows to keep your new windows performing at their best. Clean the glass and frames regularly with non-abrasive solutions. Check for any cracks, gaps, or signs of moisture buildup. Reseal or recalk if necessary to maintain airtight insulation. Proper care will extend the lifespan of your windows and preserve their energy-saving benefits for years to come. Final thoughts: energy-efficient windows are more than just a home improvement. They're an investment in comfort, savings, and sustainability. For homeowners in Des Allemands, LA, upgrading to energy-efficient windows means lower bills, a more comfortable living space, and a home that's better prepared for Louisiana's diverse weather. Whether you're building new, remodeling, or simply looking to save on energy costs, this upgrade is a smart step toward a more sustainable future.